service in the bars here is absolutely shocking. I went to a bar last night and there was I was there an hour and a half. I got the one drink. I ordered the second drink and I never got it.
It's so expensive right now.
Yeah, 500 pesos is all I spent. I went there with over 10,000 pesos in my pocket. So they lose.
Not interesting in rainy season.
Yes.
You know it.
No worries. And you can use that one, okay?
Yeah, better in good season. So many people.
Yes.
Price maybe is okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
It's okay video, not.
Yeah, I don't care.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. No, I want to know, parking already not working?
Yeah, parking?
Parking not working already, long time.
Yeah, this is yours, parking.
No, asking, parking already closed.
Just only at night.
Ah, night time only?
Yeah, just only at night.
Okay, thank you. I just want to ask about parking. Of course, I don't want to talk with people here, but they say to me about girls. Yeah. Someone dry clothes. That's 50 peso before, I know, parking. Homeless people here stay. No, I just find parking. This is parking already closed.
Oh, this is already.
Closed. You don't know how much this hotel, short time hotel?
Only short time 320, sir.
320.
Yeah.
Okay, thank
For
you.
3 years.
3 hours, 320. It's how many places? 14 rooms. Girls here is already waiting. Because rain. Okay, thank you. One Euphoria is good place. Wind. Strong wind. No, I will come back. But wind. My umbrella already broken.